What if I told you there's a YouTube channel making over $50,000 per month without showing a face, using voice, or hiring editors? And I recreated the entire system using just free tools and AI. This video will show you exactly how I copied a channel called Meditative Mind. They've got over 6 million subscribers and 16 million views in the last 30 days, using free AI tools and simple edits anyone can do. Let's build your first faceless, passive income channel together. The best part? Everything you're about to see uses completely free tools. No paid music, no expensive software, and no camera. We'll use tools like ChatGPT, Pixels, CapCut, and YouTube itself. All free, so there's no excuse not to start. The meditation niche is perfect for beginners. You don't need to talk. You can loop sounds. And people watch for 30 minutes to 2 hours at a time. That means high watch time, simple edits, and passive income potential. Even better, viewers are global. This niche works 24/7. Let me walk you through step by step how you can build your own faceless meditation channel. Just like I did. Step number 1, start with ChatGPT to create. A unique channel name, video title ideas, descriptions, and SEO tags. Prompt: give me 10 unique YouTube channel name ideas for a meditation music channel. Pick one, then set up your YouTube channel in minutes. Step number 2. Now you need 2 things. Audio. Go to Pixabay.com, music, search meditation or healing tones. Video. You can use Pexels.com.videos, Vecteezy.com, Pixabay.com.videos. For simplicity, let's stick with Pixabay, both video and music in one place. Just search for calming visuals like waterfalls, forests, or clouds. Step number 3, use CapCut Desktop, free or mobile. Drop in your music and copy-paste the music track to the duration that you require, let's say 30 to 60 minutes. Add the visual, stretch the video to match 30 to 60 minutes. Export in 4K for better YouTube compression. You now have your first meditation video. Once you've exported your 4K meditation video, go ahead and upload it to your channel. Then, just repeat the process. Stay consistent, stay simple, and let the content work for you. This video was a high-level overview of how the meditation niche works. If you want a complete step-by-step guide, including how we monetized our own meditation channel in under 30 days, drop a comment below and I'll make a full case study breakdown. Our meditation channel is now making over $3,000 per month with 24/7 live streams running on autopilot, generating passive income daily. If that sounds like something you want to build, subscribe to Prompt Bureau for more faceless channel guides, passive income strategies, and AI-powered content systems. Let's build smarter together.